So let's start with this a bit. I often talk about tech, and when I'm being interviewed or I'm talking to other people, I get into this conversation of what I call the hardware and the software of agriculture. And these are broad terms I use to separate some things, because when we start talking about tech, we have two big areas, right? On the software side, I consider that the seed, the chemicals, the things you buy almost every year, the inputs. There's a lot of stuff going on in that area. And then we talk about the hardware. That's actually something you can touch. Now, you're writing checks for both. I understand that. But the tractor, the combine, the sprayer, all those tools are getting more advanced every day. And we're going to talk about how those are changing. Interestingly, as I note here, both of them require software, which is real software to work, and that's what's happening in this industry. But when you think about where you were 20 years ago and where you are today, okay, who's really farming without auto steer? Oh wait, don't put your hands up, you don't want to embarrass yourself. Who's farming without auto steer? You are? You're a champion, man. I'm proud of you, but you never go anywhere else and you're tired all the time. No, I'm kidding. It's great for you, and that's good. But when you think about it, if I'd have talked to you 20 years ago and said, hey, auto steering, you're all going to do this, you'd look at me and like, this guy's a nutcase. And today, it's gotten more advanced. So those are the kinds of things that we think about when we talk about some of this technology.